Hello student, how are you? Today we will continuing with also chapter 2 of statistics, presentation of data. In previous video we have learned inclusive frequency distribution and we have made inclusive class. Inclusive we have made this type of class is known as which type of class? Inclusive class, because 219 is included in this class. Okay, 239 is included in this class, so it is known as inclusive class, and whole answer is known as inclusive frequency distribution. Okay, this is the class and we have find its frequency. We have also learned exclusive class. If class is given is this type, it is known as exclusive class. Why it is known as exclusive class? Have you answered? Think. 220 is not included in this class, but 420 is included in this class. So it is known as exclusive class and it is known as inclusive class. You have row which type of class? Answer will be get same. You will prepare this type of class if information is not given in this question. Means prepare inclusive class or exclusive class. You will get this class and also this class. Answer will be same. Okay. No marks will be cut when you get this type of class or this type of class when information is not given in exam. Now, today we will continue additional formula of second chapter, presentation of data. In previous video, we have studied first formula of this chapter. Which formula? Yes, mid value or mid point. The formula is lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2. It is short formula but long formula. Lower limit of that class plus upper limit of that class divided by 2. Okay, but you will remember those formula by lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2. Also, you have remember this formula is LL plus UL divided by 2. LL means lower limit plus UL means upper limit divided by 2. Now, formula number 2 of this chapter. Lower boundary point. So formula of lower boundary point is lower limit of that class plus upper limit of previous class, thereby 2. Now, second step, I repeat this formula. Lower boundary point is equal to lower limit of that class plus upper limit of previous class divided by 2. So we get lower boundary point. Now, third formula of this chapter. First formula have been taught by me in previous video. Okay. Now, upper boundary point. What is formula for upper boundary point? Formula is upper limit of that class plus lower limit of succeeding class thereby 2. I repeat this formula. Upper boundary point is equal to upper limit of that class plus lower limit of succeeding class or next class, okay, thereby 2. If classes is given this type or classes is given this type, okay. Now we will find in this type of class lower boundary point and upper boundary point, and also we will find upper boundary point and lower boundary point from this class, okay. Frequency is not required, but only for your understanding I will write the frequency. Suppose frequency is given here is 6, okay. I can only assume this formula, okay. Third class is 240 and 259, 262, 279, 282, 299, okay. Up to this class it is enough. If frequencies I will assume 15, 6 and any value 9, okay. Now this class is 240 to 269, 260, 260 to 280, okay, 280 to 300, okay. And I will write this same value 6, 4, 50, 6, 9, okay. It is not necessary in this point, but I have written, okay. Now we will find lower boundary point and upper boundary point. First, class, which class is exclusive class. Okay. Now, lower boundary point of first class, lower limit of that class. So first class is 200 to 220. It is known as LL, lower limit. It is known as UL, upper limit. Same, it is known as lower limit and it is known as upper limit. First off, we will find lower boundary point, upper boundary point from this class. Okay. Now lower boundary point. Lower boundary point of first class. Lower limit of that class. What is lower limit of that class? That class means first class. Okay. 200. Upper limit of previous class. Previous class is not given in this question. Previous class is not given in this question. So we will assume previous class is what is 180 to 200. Okay, because class length is 20. Okay, so previous class is 180 to 200. Its previous class is which is 160 to 180. But it is not necessary for us. So I remove this class, but only for understanding. You see here. Lower limit of this class is 200 and upper limit of previous class. Upper limit of previous class. So answer 200 divided by 2. So answer is 200. So we can say that lower boundary point of this class is 200. Okay. I will write in bracket 2. Okay. Now upper boundary point of first class. Upper boundary point. Formula is upper limit of that class. Upper limit of that class is first class 220. Okay. Lower limit of succeeding class. Succeeding class is this one. Lower limit is this one. Okay. Succeeding class is this one and lower limit is this one. Succeeding class and it is lower limit 220 upon 2. Answer is 220. I will write this answer in bracket so you will understand. Okay. Now, so you can see that lower limit is lower boundary point. Upper limit is upper boundary point. In which type of class? Yes, include exclusive type class. Lower limit is lower boundary point and upper limit is upper boundary point. Now we will prove by this one in second class. Now we will find lower boundary point and upper boundary point of second class. So second class has lower limit is 220. Okay. Upper boundary point, so lower limit of that class plus upper limit of previous class. Upper limit of this is previous class and it is upper limit 220 upon 2. So answer is 220. So I can write here 220. Now upper boundary point of second class. So formula is upper limit of that class. What is upper limit of that means second class? Yes. Upper limit of second class is 240. Okay. Plus lower limit of succeeding class. Succeeding class means next class. This is succeeding class, okay, of this class, and lower limit is 240. Okay, answer divided by 2, so answer is 240. 240. Okay. In this type of question, frequency is not required, so I remove it. Frequency is not required because we will focus on only on this class. Okay, so I remove frequency for this sum. Now you think what is lower boundary point of third class? Can you answer it? Yes, 240. Okay. Why answer is 240? I get easily. You will understand this logic. Lower limit is known as lower boundary point. In which type of class? Exclusive class. Lower limit is equal to lower boundary point. Upper limit is equal to upper boundary point. Or we can say that upper boundary point is equal to upper limit, lower boundary point is equal to lower limit. Okay, and you can also see that first class has upper boundary point. Okay, it will make lower limit for next class. Upper boundary point is make lower boundary point of previous class. You have also seen that. See here. Upper boundary point of this class is made lower boundary point of previous class. Okay. Now, what is upper boundary point of this class? So 260. Okay. What is upper boundary point? Upper boundary point of fourth class? Answer is 280. What is upper boundary point of last class? Answer is 300. Okay. Now, what is lower boundary point of this class? Yes, answer is 280. Because I repeat again and again, if inclusive class is given, sorry, if exclusive class is given, lower limit has made lower boundary point and upper limit has made upper boundary. Okay, but if inclusive class is given, lower limit is not made lower boundary point and upper limit is not made upper boundary point. Now we will prove by this formula. Okay, you have understood lower boundary point and upper boundary point of this class. Okay, I hope you can understood easily. Now we will find lower boundary point and upper boundary point if this type of class is given in the question. Okay, now we will find lower boundary point and upper boundary point of second class. Okay, what is formula of lower boundary point? Lower limit of that class. So second class has lower limit is 220. Okay, upper limit of previous class. Upper limit of previous class. So answer is 290 upon 2. Okay, so answer is 219.5. 219.5. Okay, so second class has lower boundary point is 219.5. Okay, now we will find upper boundary point of which class? Second class. Okay, now what is formula? Upper limit of that class. Upper limit of that class means second class 239 plus lower limit of succeeding class. Lower limit of succeeding. Previous means this and succeeding means this. Okay, 240 divided by 2. So answer is 239.5. 239.5. Okay, now we will find lower boundary point of third class and upper boundary point also third class. Okay, can you understand? Okay, now lower boundary point, lower limit of that class 240, upper limit of previous class 239 upon 2. So answer is 239.5. So we will write 239.5. Okay, now upper boundary point of third class formula is upper limit of that class. Upper limit of that class means 259. Lower limit of succeeding class. Lower limit of succeeding class is 260. Okay, divided by 2. So answer is 259.5. 259.5. Okay. So you can see that in exclusive frequency distribution or if exclusive class is given, upper boundary, upper limit is equal to upper boundary point, lower limit Okay, same answer we have get in this class. Okay, but if inclusive class is given, okay, so you can see that second class has lower boundary point is 219.5, okay, and upper boundary point is 239.5, okay. So it is also easy, okay. But which method we will use? 0.5. If you this method is easy, only you can understand minus 0.5 from this value. Shortcut. We will get answer by this formula is also 100% correct, but in short situation, if we will find lower boundary point and if we will find upper boundary point in short situation, so trick is 0.5 minus from this value, so you can get lower boundary point and add 0.5 in this value, so you can get, okay, upper boundary point. Okay, concept is clear. 0.5 minus from this value, so we get lower boundary point and 0.5 add in this value, so we get upper boundary point without help of formula. Okay, now we will use shortcut in also this class number 4. See, what is lower boundary point of fourth class? Okay, yes, minus 0.5 from this value, because distance as each and every value is 1. So answer is 259.5. Now you think, what is upper boundary point of fourth class? So answer is 279. Okay. So you will get easy tip from this formula. Okay. Now you will think, what is upper boundary point of this class and lower boundary point of this class? Okay. Now you can see that first class has upper boundary point is made is lower boundary point of previous class. Okay. First class has upper boundary point is made lower boundary point for next class. Okay. In other words, we can say that lower boundary point of this class is made upper boundary point of previous class. Okay. This situation is also, you have seen that in these cases, upper boundary point for next class it is lower boundary point. Lower boundary point it is upper boundary point of previous class. Okay. So you can write here 279.5, because lower limit of this class is made, upper boundary point is made is lower boundary point of previous class, or lower boundary point is made upper boundary point of previous class. Okay. In succeeding class, previous class. Succeeding class, previous class. Okay. In this type of situation, lower limit is equal to lower boundary point, and upper limit is equal to upper boundary point. But in this type of classes or distribution, 0.5 minus from this value, so we can get lower boundary point and add 0.5 in this value, so we get upper boundary point. But condition is given, class difference between this value is 1. If difference is this upper limit and lower limit has 1, then we can use this shortcut. Otherwise, no. Otherwise, we will get answer by this formula. It is short. When it is short, when difference between two values has only 1. So we can use this shortcut. Otherwise, we will get each and every lower boundary point and upper boundary point with this is formula. Okay. Okay. It is enough for today. Thank you and take care.